Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. The Airflow concept unifies these advanced technologies, communicating through advanced visualization and thoughtful interaction. The Airflow concept user experience employs multi-layered, high-contrast graphics and thoughtful details to provide a clean, sophisticated appearance that is safe, easy to use and easy to understand. Using a menu-based format, screens throughout the Airflow interior can be personalized, simplified and grouped based on individuals and interests. Information on the screens can be shared with all passengers by swiping. Customization and personalization are key, whether driving or acting as a co-pilot. Each screen is a personalized space to access the digital world via connected entertainment, apps and downloads. Each seat also features a built-in camera, enabling occupants to participate in a group video conference call from the comfort of the Airflow cabin. Over-the-air updates keep Airflow concept services current and let passengers quickly and easily add new and innovative features. That functionally keeps the vehicle fresh, exciting and capable, enhancing the overall ownership experience. The backbone of the Airflow concept user experience is the new electronic and software architecture, Stella Brain. This architecture is highly flexible, breaking today's bond between hardware and software generations. It enables software developers to create and update features and services quickly, taking advantage of capabilities built into the cockpit without waiting for a new hardware launch. The smart cockpit, demonstrated in the Airflow concept and built on top of Brain architecture, seamlessly integrates with the digital lives of vehicle occupants to deliver AI-based applications, such as navigation, voice assistance, e-commerce marketplace and payment services.